What if you could make money with chemistry? Right from your kitchen? Welcome to episode 3 of Chemistry Can Make You Rich. Today's topic, natural cleaning products. The world is switching to safer, greener cleaners. People want non-toxic homes now more than ever. Guess what? You can make these products yourself and sell them. All you need are simple ingredients: baking soda, vinegar or citric acid, essential oils, and Castile soap. Let's start with a basic all-purpose spray. Use 1 cup vinegar, 1 cup water, and 10 drops of essential oil. Choose from tea tree, lemon, or lavender. Mix it up, bottle it, and label it. Boom, you've made a product. Now here comes the money part. Cost to produce? Under $50. Selling price? $10 to $15. That's over 900% profit. Sell just 5 bottles a day. That's up to $2,000 per month from home. Plus, you're helping people clean safely and naturally. You're making a positive impact. Want more ideas like this? We have 27 more business ideas lined up. If you enjoyed this, give us a like. If you want formulation, comment as "in need."